Hi friends, sir, the next important question, okay, for OCJA related to import statement. Take very special case, sir. Here given the code fragments, sir, a.java. What is the a.java is package pack1 public class A. Next b.java package pack1 dot the pack2. Sir, this is the line 1 public class B. A is equal to new A. Sir, inside B class I'm creating object of A, but a B class is available inside pack1 dot pack2, but A is available inside pack1. Observe very carefully about import statements. Line 1 is there. Next C package pack3. It is complete different package. Public class C. Here we are creating A is equal to new A, B is equal to new B. So inside pack3, A object I am creating, B object I am creating, like this, right? Now, sir, to compile this, have you observed which modifications enables the code to compile? Okay, replace line 1 with import pack1.a, replace line 2 with. So it's very simple. What they are asking is this line 1 and line 2 should be replaced with which import statement to enable the code to compile. That's about our requirement, right? Sir, very interesting. Listen carefully about this one, sir. Can you please observe A class is available inside pack1. Inside pack1, A is available, sir. Now B is available inside pack1 dot pack2. Okay, pack1 dot pack2, B is available. Remember, B is available where, sir? Inside pack2, pack1 dot pack2, B is available. Now inside B class we are creating A class object. Inside B class we are creating A class object. Sir, inside B class, if you want to use A class, A is not available inside pack2. A is available inside pack1. Compulsory import statement must be required. Import pack1 dot A you can take, or import pack1 dot star. Okay, if I can take pack1 dot A or pack1 dot star, A is available to the B. Happily you can able to create an object. That's why line 1 we have to replace with the import pack1.a or pack1.star. Then only this B class is going to compile. Everyone can able to understand, right? Sir, let me cross check up to this. Observe carefully, sir. Here A class is available inside pack1. Package pack1 public class A, like this. B class is available inside pack1.pack2. Pack1.pack2. I'm creating an object. Sir, first let me compile a.java file. Java C -d dot a.java. Happily A class is going to compile. But whenever we are trying to compile B class, immediately we are going to get error. What is the problem here is? Inside B class you are creating object for A. But A is not available inside pack2. That's why the problem is going to come. Can you please observe? If I run this code, if I compile this B class, Java C -d dot b.java, if I compile this one, cannot find the symbol, which is symbol class A, cannot find symbol, which is symbol class A, like that compile error we are going to get. Are you getting right? Sir, how I can solve this problem? Can you please tell A class is available inside which package? A class is available inside which package? Inside pack1. A is available inside pack1. That's why let me write import statement. Line 1 I want to replace with import pack1 dot A. If I'm taking import pack1 dot A, happily the code is going to compile, no problem at all. Yes, valid. Or pack1 dot star. If you can take import pack1 dot star, happily the code is going to compile, no problem at all. Any doubt about this one? Can you please confirm? Everyone in the position to understand up to this one, sir. Okay, well. Now I am inside pack3. was complete different package. Pack 3 contain public class C. Pack 3 contain C class. Are you getting? Pack 3 contain C class. Inside C, I am creating A object and B object. I am creating A object, A class object, B class object. But A class is available inside pack 1, B class is available inside pack 1 dot pack 2. So to access A and B, compulsory we require to take separate import statements for pack 1 and pack 2. So here which import we require to take? Import pack 1 dot A or pack 1 dot star to make A class available. Are you getting? To make A class available, pack 1 dot A or pack 1 dot star. Next, to make B class available, what we have to take? Import pack 1 dot pack 2 dot B or pack 1 dot pack 2 dot star we have to take. Are you getting? So to make A is available, we have to write this import. To make B is available, we require to write this import statement. Then only this C class is going to compile. Just observe a bit very carefully, sir. Here, let me go for C class. Let me go for C class. Sir, this is C class available inside pack 3. C class is available inside pack 3. A, B, sir, now we are creating A class object and B class object, but A and B import statements are not there. Immediately compile time error we will get. Let me compile. C, Java C, hyphen D dot C dot Java. If I can take like this, immediately 3 errors or 4 errors by default we are going to get. Sir, where is A? Next and after that, where is B? Sir, like we are getting some errors. Sir, here 2 times A and here 2 times B. Total 4 times it is going to write the compile time error, right? Now, sir, where A is available? Can you please confirm? Where A is available? Can you please confirm? A is available inside pack 1. Are you getting that? A is available inside pack 1. That's why to make A available, import pack 1 dot A or pack 1 dot star. Okay, let me use this one. If I write import pack 1 dot A, import pack 1 dot A, if I can take like this, what is the answer by default? Sir, now A is available. But B is not available. Immediately error related to B but not related to A. Observe that. Observe a bit very carefully, sir. Let me compile. Instead of 4 errors, now we are getting how many errors, right? Only 2 errors we are going to get. Are you getting? Only 2 errors we are getting, right? Okay. Now I want to take, instead of pack 1 dot A, star also. Acceptable. Same 2 errors only we are going to get, sir. Okay, well, only 2 errors we are going to get. Okay, like. Sir, now what is the next thing I have to take, sir? What is the next one I require to take? Take very, very special care about this one. To make B available, what I have to take, sir? Import pack 1 dot pack 2 dot star or B you can take. Now observe this carefully. Happily the code compiles fine, no problem at all. Are you getting right? So if you want to use any classes from outside package, import statement must be required. How to use that import statement? You should have clear clarity. Now among our option, which option is the correct? Sir, replace line 1 with import pack 1 dot A, correct. Replace line 2 with import pack 1 dot A and pack 1 dot B. Sir, A option is the correct. Okay, well, why B is wrong? Replace line 1 with import pack 1. Sir, ends with pack 1 is not allowed. Pack 1 dot A, pack 1 dot star you have to take. That's why wrong this one. Next, replace line 1 with import pack 1 dot A. Okay, well, line 1 will work. Replace line 2 with import pack 1 dot star. If I can take pack 1 dot star, only A class is available, but B class is not available for C. That's why it is wrong. Next, fourth one, import pack 1 dot star. Okay, well, sir, here A is available, but replace line 2. Line 2 means C class. For C class, import pack1 dot pack2 dot star means B is available, but A is not available for C. That's why it is also wrong. Getting right? So which option is the correct option? Only A option is the correct option. So import related to import, this much care you require to take. Very, very important for the exam sake. Clear for all of you, right?